Good afternoon. I am Pragati Kasara, member of Safe Girl Child Mission, our International Thinkers Project 2012. In this, we are trying to find different views of different people, so let us know the views of our senior English ma'am, Mrs. Shushma ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, what is your opinion on the importance of girls?
Girls are very important, as we have read that slogan, if that dot बेटी हिंदी में बोलना पड़ेगा ये बेटी है तो कल है. And girls are not only that girls, they are sisters of someone. As sister they take care of their brothers, and girls are also mothers. As mothers they devote themselves for the sake of the children, and as wives they look after their husband, they share all the worries and joys of their husband also. So girls, they are also beauty of the house, and we have read in Sanskrit the line yat narya pujante ramante trat devta. It means that if the girls are in the house, that is a real home. Without a girl, that is not a real home. So girls are the beauty of a home. They keep the things in systematic places, and the house is also, the home is also is arranged. It looks nice. The presence of the girls make a real home.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, being a woman, what can you do to save girls on your own level?
Being a woman, I can motivate this scheme, this campaign, Save the Girl Child, and it is happening also. In my family, that my sister also motivated to see me, and they are all working. And being a teacher, I am very close to students from 9th to 12th class. Especially, I want the girls, they should concentrate on their studies. Because I have seen an example, there was a girl, and she was my maternal uncle's daughter. She was a student, school going child. That time, she fell in love with a boy. And she got married. The result of marriage, of early marriage, she had children. Not only, she had 5 children. She could not look after well, and the boy, both were that time, they were immature. The result was that marriage was totally failure, and she also fell ill due to that malaria, and she died. That is a living example I have seen in my family. So I want, this is the age, especially from 9 to 12, girls, which especially they have to focus on their studies, because that decide their future. Once the girl is educated, she can stand on the legs, and she will not be burdened on parents, and then she can choose a boy of her own choice, and she can marry. That time that she is mature, so she is able to take decision. So first a girl should be educated. So I focus on girls that studies, especially at this age 9 to 12. That is the time when girls, they are infatuated for opposite sex. So this is the time. That's why sometimes I am very, very harsh towards girls. I have to become harsh towards girls because of this particular age. So this I can do. That means I can motivate for education. If they are educated, they are matured.
Okay, ma'am. In your views, what are the consequences of our Safe Girl Child mission in future?
If this mission, saving a girl child, continues and follow in the same spirit, I think such type of crime or cases like female infanticide, female feticide, they may be curbed, because awareness will come among the people. They will be afraid that there is a mission like this, saving girl child. So they will start giving respect to girls, and girls also will be secure, their future will be secure, and the scheme which are run by government, Ladli Lakshmi Yona, free education for girls, and some scholarships are also being given. And these schemes, if they run sincerely, it means suppose they are followed sincerely, then the future of the girl is secure, and the girl is educated, she will be able to earn something, she will not be dependent on parents, she will not be burdened. Generally what happens in the society, when the girl is not educated, that girl becomes a burden for parents, especially when there is a case of dowry. There is a big dowry, and parents are not able to pay that demand. And what happens? The girl feels disappointed, and she even thinks to commit suicide. So I think if this campaign is followed in the way as other campaigns are being done, like save water, save the environment, so I think the future is bright. Girls will be secure, and the ratio, which is now only 930 among 1,000 boys, that also will be made up. It means you can make up that ratio also through this campaigning, your mission. So I wish you all the best. This mission should be continued and awareness should come among the people. So this mission only can bring awareness among common people also.
Thank you, ma'am, for providing us so many information and for spending your precious time with us. Thank you.
Thanks.